Hello. So, good evening, everybody, all of you. Today, I'll be taking a sessions of HP Unified Functional Testings. Right? So, this is a shortcut. We need to download it from the HP website. This is the latest version 12.02, and this is a splash screen of the Unified Functional Testing. Now, these are the major add-ins, which is by default need to be installed in UFT. Such as ActiveX, Mobile, Visual Basics, right? Visual Basics completely for the desktop-based applications and web. Another more add-ins also we can install it in the UFT that are Java is there, then C# is there, then Tomcat, Apache, right? For the different technologies, the add-ins are available for testing the applications. So these are the basics which I'll be covering: ActiveX, Mobile, Visual Basics, and Web. Right. See, now the main thing is that when we download this UFT, right, along with this application, there is a flight reservation application, which comes. It's a prerequisite. It's a prerequisite of this UFT applications, right? I'll just have an example. This is a flight GUI. Simple. This is an application which comes inbuilt with the UFT application. Now just I'll need to click on OK, and this is the show on startup button. Means what happens if I uncheck this show on startup button, then it will be completely this window will not come. So if I click on this button, every time when I start the UFT, this will come. And this is completely a functional testing tool, right? In this we'll work on the QTP, that is Quick Test Professional. Now I just like to know that QTP basically it's a functional tool, and the predefined language of QTP, that is the VB script. So little bit it will be taking time to load this UFT, right? Rather than this, I'll explain you this my flight sample applications. This is a simple applications, okay, but there is one bug in this application. Let I just show you out. Let's say John. See, the username is John and the password is HP, right? So we need to write it HP. Just click on OK button. After clicking on OK button, we need to select the flight. From, suppose I'll select it Los Angeles to Paris, right? And just select the date wise, right? Economic, find the flights. Just click on the flight bar. So there are many flights from Los Angeles to Paris. What I need to do is that you need to just select it and select the flight and place on order. See, wait, it is just loading. We need to write it the passenger name also. I'll take a passenger name ABC and click on order. See, when I'm clicking on this order, it gives this bug that flight GUI.pages has stopped working. So this is an inbuilt error. Already it is there, right? Now, how to solve this error? So close the program. Again, I'm opening the flight reservation system. This is a flight GUI. What we need to do is that just right click on this and run as administrator. When we run this application as a run as administrator, automatically that error will be sorted out. Again, I am running this application as a run as administrator. Just I will enter the username John. Password is HP. I'll click on OK button. Again, select the flight name, that is Los Angeles to Paris. Find the flights. Select one of the flight name and select the flight. Just give the passenger name ABC and click on order. Now it will execute completely. So order 88 is completed. This is the unique order will be generated automatically by the system. Now if you want to search it, click on the new search searched order. Now there are two options. You can search the by name also or by order also. Suppose I have entered the name ABC and just click it. See, it comes automatically, right? If you want to search by order number, right, let's say 88, just click on search it. See, automatically everything is it has been displayed, right? So remember that when you want to run the flight application, flight system applications, right, just execute by right click, run as administrator, then only you will be able to place the order. Otherwise it's not possible to place the order. And this is an inbuilt application. So when you download the UFT, right, from the SP side, this application will be installed automatically, and it has been installed in the C drive. I'll just show you where it has been installed, right? So go to the C drive, program files, HP folder, right, UFT. See, these are the things need to be installed. Add-ins, see, these are the add-ins need to be installed. QTP, Unicodes and all, right? Now, we'll go to the directly on the UFT. So these are the samples. These are the flight applications, right? From here, your application is getting executed. So this is the path. See, program files, x86, HP, unified functional testing, samples, flight application. Right? From these, you can directly go and run as administrator. So a candidate can search also, or the candidate can go from here also. There are both the options. And the data is stored in the sample apps data. Now I will be directly moving to the UFT. Now this is a unified functional testing, right? So we need to maintain on the QTP. And QTP is also integrated with many other tools such as QC, that is Quality Center. After that, Windrunner is there, right? So QTP is integrated with many other tools. Now I'll explain one by one all the things for this, right? Let's say this is a startup page, right? Now what's new in HP Unified 12.2.0? The information is already here. So welcome to the UFT 12.02. This is the very latest version. Expand its integration with the complete set of HP testing solutions and present the new features and enhancement for the great usability, productivity and technology support. This is the solution bar, toolbar. Now this is a property window, right? If you want to move the property window, it can be moved also, and it is very flexible, right? All the window which is there is very flexible to move from here and there, right? According to the user's requirement, it can be walked. Simple. Now this is the active screen. Now what is the active screen? Suppose when we click on the code, it will show the exactly that picture, that where is my cursor, right? Suppose I will have one example. Go to the file, new, test. Just give the test name, that is flight application, and click and create it. So first generate the test. So little bit it will be taking the times to load that applications and to load the whole background. When we go into the Solution Explorer, see, automatically the action comes locally and this, right? Just we can move it on this part. Now see the name local, where it is held. See user, Rasta, document, UFT, flight application, action 1, object repository dot, right, BDB. Now these are the actions, these are the startup page, right? These are the functions. Now just run this application. Just click on the run, or you can go with the F5 also. So when I will click on F5, the recording will start. And just what I need to do is that I just need to execute the applications, right? Everything will be everything, the actions what I am working with, the application, sample applications, right, will be recorded here completely. So what I am doing is just I will click on this run, right? Or otherwise you need to record it also, right? So click on the record button. See now here what is that? Web. Record and run the test on any browsers. If you want to go with the mobile, you can go with the mobiles. If you want to go with the Windows application, you can go with the Windows applications, right? See now there is a one website, newtools.demon.com. This is a completely tools related website. If you want to test the web application, this is some the demo website which has already been developed, right? So if you want to test it, you can test it by this website. Otherwise, if you want to go with the mobile, you can go with the mobiles. And if you go with the Windows, you can go with the Windows. So record and run the test on any open Windows based application, right? Any Windows application, it will be fetching from here. Just click on OK. Start the recording, right? And just enter the details. That's a new search. Okay. Just I will be selecting from London, right? It will be taking some loading time. Okay, I'll start. Okay, now it's loaded, right? From Frankfurt to, let's say, okay, I'll go with the London. Today's date, right? Business class, and just I will find the flights. Select the flights, right? Passenger name, let's say QWE. The total price is $326.16. Just I will click on order. So the order is placed. So and the order number is 89 is completed, right? See here the scripts automatically comes. Just stop the recording. Okay. Just stop the recording. See now what happens here. This is a VB script, right? And see the in the active screen. Where is my cursor exactly? See on the line number of 7. Windows HP my flight sample applications click 273,87. See where the sample, the automatically the active screen will be generated. So basically we can tell it as a flow, right? And if I want to run the application, what I need to do is that just I will click on this F5 and just run it. See what happens. Automatically the application will be getting executed. So little bit is getting loaded, right? See, this is the way how it is getting. See, order is there, right? And finally minimize. So minimize is also there. Suppose if you want to remove this, you can remove this code also, right? Minimize, so that you can get an exactly idea. Okay, so now what I need to do is that again I will run this script F5 and just run the application. See what happens. See the application will be getting executed. We can control the speed also. Okay. Right. So it's over, completed, right? And the test result is generated. So here it's a very nice functionality that we can generate the test also, right? The test result is automatically generated. And it's really a very nice. In the older version, it is also getting generated, but here the module has been divided completely. It has been divided. So if I'll go to the flight applications, just I'll go with the action summary, right? See, this is the SP My Flight application, and each and every line which has been executed, so we will get an accurate result that on what time and on what date and with which second it has been executed. So accurate results will be generated by the QTP, and this is a really a very good thing, right? That for each and every line, we are getting the perfect details. Now there are another thing is also there with the test view result is that there is a screen recorder, right? So no data is associated with the result. To click here, pane about this, click here. So it will be directly generated going to the help of the index, right? That where to do the settings of this. So what you need to do is that select view, go to the screen recorder and click the screen recorder tab. Okay. So what you need to do is that you need to click here. Right, where we need to go is that again we will see that view, click on the view, screen recorder and click the screen recorder tab, right? See, but there is, we cannot found something else, right? So what we need to do is that there are some properties are also there. We can go to it and we can do all the settings and all, right? After that, if you want to go with the designings, right, there is a designings you can go. There is some record buttons are there, run is there, okay, resources are also there, ELM is there, fine. So these are the many options you can go with this. Okay, now see the run the step results. One by one you can run the step results also. Here. After that system monitor, so no data is associated, right? So the what exactly QTP here UFT is there doing that what exactly the result which is generated. So backend it will do the screen recording also. Now see the data is also there. Log tracking can also be done. Capturing of the data can also be done, right? And the each and every informations we will be getting here. So next, what we need to do is that I will close the test application result. Fine. See now the active screens. Here these are the active screens. Now suppose if I will tell that I will put one command, let's say wait. Wait, I need to give the 10 seconds, right? Okay, and I will execute this application again. See here what it will be doing, it will wait for the 10 seconds and after that it will walk again, right? So this is also one type of command you can do it. So departure and arrival city must not be same. See the error comes automatically, right? So this is how we can test it. See, this is how we can test it, and finally the result will be generated automatically. We don't have to do anything. It will be generated here automatically. See, this is the something we can call it as a dashboard, right? Where test name is there, product name is that is SP Unified Functional Testing. The version of on which we have tested that application, host name will be there, operating system on which it is using. Information is coming completely. It's really very nice report. It has been generated automatically, and the facility which is given, that is really a very good. So test name, flight application, result name, that is RSC3, on which time we have generated, we have ended, it has been ended, how much time it has been taken, right, to run the reports. Then this is some warnings or fails. If it is there, it will be showing here. If any if any in the previous result, if it is any previous result, it is there, then we can go it from here, right? So really nice report has been generated, and this facility was not available on the previous version. That is, I'll tell you that on QTP 9.0 or 10.0, this type of facility was not available, but now it has been updated and the version has been coming, that is 12.02. So really a nice facility has been given for generating the reports. These are some action summary that which need to be taken while executing the application. See here, suppose I will go here, right, it will be showing that action 1, run, started, run, ended, result, done, right, pass, fails or warning, right. It can be shown from here also. Suppose if you are giving here, let's say I'll have an again one more command, wait for, let's say I want to wait the coding for the 20 seconds, right. What will happen? Just I will run this application, it will be 20 seconds, it will be stop here. My process will be stop here temporarily for the 20 seconds, and after that it will be getting executing with the another scripts. See here, it will be waiting now for the 20 seconds, and after that it will be continuing the scripts again. And this is, and wait is a VBScript command, right? So it's very easy to handle the script also, right? It does not necessitate that to learn the QTP VBScript is more important, right? But some of the basic things which need to be taken care, right, in the VBScript. Okay, so these are the, again one error is come. This is the inbuilt error which has been generated by the application itself. Okay, just I am clicking OK button, right? See, automatically the script has been terminated and the result has been generated. So I think this is a very flexible applications, right, which need to be taken care. Okay, now just I am removing this application, now removing this line. Right. See, there are many settings are also available. If I want to import the test, I can import it. If I want to export the test, I can expose it. If I want to save the application, I can save it also. Which are the recent application I have tested, right? That need to be also taken care. After that, when I am clicking on the settings, right? See, there are many settings are there. Let's say run, resources are there, right? Web. Suppose I want to do some settings about the web, that I can do the web settings. Recovery, I can do the recovering as well. Recovery means what? Suppose I have opened the two flight sample application at the same time. So QTP will be confused that on which application I need to execute. So what happens here? What recovery, the concept of the recovery in the QTP is that automatically what QTP will close one application and it will be executing another applications automatically. So this was the concept of the recovery. Then all the logs and everything will be maintained here. Okay, and this is the very fastest application. Suppose I want to execute run all the rows, or suppose I want to execute row one by one, right? I can work it out here also. I can do the setting from here also. Otherwise, this is the best way. Run all the rows, so all the coding will be executed one by one. Right? I think this was the basic funda what I have explained you in the UFT, and there are many such more concepts, right? Which are implemented in the UFT in QTP. Okay, so thank you very much, right, for attending these sessions, and have a good day, and bye all of you.